Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Frigidaire Refrigerator Parts Shelf is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the optimal functionality and organization of your kitchen appliance, ensuring that your groceries are stored efficiently and safely. And when it comes to replacing or upgrading these vital shelves, making an informed decision is paramount to avoid compatibility issues and ensure long-term satisfaction with your refrigerator's performance and usability. Number 5. Frigidaire Refrigerator Door Bin Shelf 240323002. Introducing the 240323002 Refrigerator Door Bin Shelf, designed for compatible Frigidaire and Electrolux models. This is the perfect replacement for your bottom refrigerator door shelves. This door bin is specifically designed for the two bottom slots on the refrigerator side of your unit. Ensure your current bin's length is approximately 15.87 inches for a perfect fit. Crafted from high-quality, durable material, this replacement bin meets OEM standards. It's built to last and provide reliable storage for your groceries. Installing this part is a breeze. Simply snap the mounting tabs into place yourself. No tools or additional parts are required for a quick and easy setup. We offer a 1-year guarantee on this door bin. If you encounter any issues, our professional after-sales team is ready to assist you within 12 hours for a satisfactory solution. Please verify your refrigerator model number and compare it with the part numbers listed to ensure this bin is the correct fit for your appliance. What we like? This is the perfect replacement for your bottom refrigerator door shelf. It's made from high-quality, durable material and is designed for easy, tool-free installation. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable fix for a broken bottom door bin, this is the one for you. What people say? It literally took longer to walk to the door to get the package as it did to install. It was a very nice and snug fit, and so far is working as expected. This shelf bin replaced the broken one perfectly. This refrigerator shelf fit perfect in my Frigidaire refrigerator. Easy to install. Added much needed space. It's also very sturdy. Number 4. Upgrade 240323002 Refrigerator Door Shelf Bin Replacement. This is a direct replacement door bin designed for specific Frigidaire refrigerator models. It's an ideal solution to restore your refrigerator's storage capacity. Crafted from high-quality resin, this bin is built for durability and safety. Its lightweight yet tough construction ensures it won't break easily, and it features a convenient soda can organizer. Replacing your broken bin is a breeze. Simply remove the old one and hook the new bin into place. Installation takes just seconds, no tools required. We've upgraded the design with reinforced side hooks and thick support parts. This ensures the bin stays securely in place, even with frequent use. This replacement part meets and exceeds original manufacturer specifications. It offers excellent bearing performance to withstand daily wear and tear, outperforming standard plastic bins. While designed for specific models, if you're unsure about compatibility, please reach out to our professional service team for assistance. We're here to help you find the perfect fit. What we like? Upgrade your refrigerator storage with this set of 2 door bins, featuring a convenient soda can organizer. Made from enhanced, durable resin, these bins are built to last and resist breakage. If you need to replace your bottom door bins and want added functionality for beverage storage, this is an excellent choice. What people say? These replacements are not only made of a stronger material, they are priced at an awesome value. They fit perfectly. The color is exactly the same and the compatibility is perfect for every different size from the ones in the freezer, larger crisper drawers and the side storage in the main refrigerator. Perfect fit for broken door shelving replacement and holds weighty items with ease. These shelves were a perfect fit for my Frigidaire Gallery refrigerator model FGHS 2631PF4A. Nice and solid. Number 3. Lifetime Appliance 241969501 Crisper Pan Cover for Frigidaire. Keep your food fresh and organized with this high-quality replacement crisper pan cover. It's designed to fit your Frigidaire refrigerator perfectly. This non-OEM replacement part ensures a great fit and durable performance. It's a cost-effective way to restore your refrigerator's functionality. Replacing your old crisper pan cover is simple. Just slide it into place and enjoy a refreshed refrigerator interior. This part is compatible with many Frigidaire refrigerator models starting with specific prefixes. Please check the listing for details. Not sure if this is the right part for your appliance? Send us a message, and we'll help you find the correct replacement. Please note that the glass is sold separately. This cover measures 17 3/8 inches by 18 3/8 inches. What we like. This is a high-quality replacement crisper pan cover designed for specific Frigidaire refrigerator models. It's built to meet or exceed OEM standards, ensuring a perfect fit and function. If your crisper drawer cover is damaged and you own a compatible Frigidaire model, this is the ideal part to restore your refrigerator's functionality. What people say. This replaced the broken shelf in my Frigidaire and it fits perfectly. The quality seems just as good as the original. The glass seems strong enough to hold good weight. Fit like a glove. This drawer frame is the perfect fit for my fridge and of sturdy quality. Number 2. AMI Parts Refrigerator Door Bin Replacement. Introducing an upgraded refrigerator door bin, designed for durability and perfect fit. This replacement part ensures your refrigerator shelves are secure and functional. Specifically designed to fit the top 2 shelves of your compatible refrigerator. Please check the length of 15.38 inches to ensure it's the right fit for your appliance. This part is compatible with various Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator models. Verify your model number before purchasing to guarantee a seamless replacement. Crafted from premium, non-polluting, and eco-friendly resin, this door bin is built to last. It's an upgraded material that enhances durability while maintaining safety standards. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process that saves you time and money. Each replacement shelf undergoes rigorous safety testing to meet and exceed expectations. We stand by the quality of our products. If you're not completely satisfied with your refrigerator shelf replacement, we offer replacements and satisfactory solutions. What we like. Get a convenient 2-pack of refrigerator door bins designed for the top shelves. These replacements are made from safe, eco-friendly, and highly durable premium resin. If you need to replace the upper door shelves in your Frigidaire refrigerator and prioritize safe, sustainable materials, this pack is a great option. What people say. Easy to install, feels very sturdy, accurate to the fit, and the value for this replacement is well worth it. They were a great quality and a perfect fit for my refrigerator door. Shelves were exactly what I was looking for. They fit my refrigerator perfectly and I actually could add more shelves if I needed to with these. Number 1. AMI Parts 240363702 Refrigerator Door Shelf Bin. Introducing a high-quality replacement door shelf bin designed to perfectly fit your Frigidaire or Kenmore refrigerator. It's built for durability and convenience. This part replaces several original part numbers, ensuring a seamless fit. Simply check your existing part number or dimensions to confirm compatibility. Crafted with robust materials, this bin is made to last. It provides reliable storage for your beverages and condiments, keeping your refrigerator organized. Measuring 14.3 in L times 4.2 in W times 5.5 in H, it offers ample space. For exact measurements, please refer to the product images. Not sure if it's the right fit? We're here to help. Contact us with any questions to ensure you get the perfect part for your appliance. We stand by our products. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer replacements. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This refrigerator door shelf bin is specifically designed to replace part number 240363702 and fits compatible Frigidaire and Kenmore models. It boasts a durable construction and precise dimensions to ensure a secure fit. If you've identified this specific part number or need a reliable bin for your refrigerator door, this is a solid choice. What people say. I bought these bins to replace the ones that were broken in my Frigidaire refrigerator, and they fit perfectly. Installation was simple, just snap them into place, and they feel sturdy and well made. The clear design makes it easy to see what's inside, and they provide plenty of storage for bottles, condiments, and other items. It fit perfectly. It is the same as the original that came with the fridge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.